Have you been to Uttarakhand? I've heard that Uttarakhand is just 5 hours away from Delhi.
Yeah, yes. Last month I went to Uttarakhand. I went to Uttarakhand, Haridwar and Rishikesh, and the place after Haridwar, Dehradun, and one more place is Masuri. Yeah, I went there
Okay.
and I enjoyed the whole journey. I went there by car and
Okay.
with my family. Yeah, it was really
Did you
enjoyable
drive?
journey. Yeah, I drive myself. Yeah,
Okay, so you drove till Uttarakhand from
yeah,
Delhi.
I yeah I drove till Uttarakhand and enjoyed the journey a lot. And I
Okay. So
recommend
how was the
it.
experience there?
It was
How is it
fantastic. It
there?
was fascinating, and you feel so much this thing enthusiastic, or you feel with energy being in Uttara. If you
Oh.
at all you, yeah, when there, then you go there and you'll feel a energy in yourself that it is like switching
Energetic.
off. It is like switching off your mobile phone, then mobile phone, and then it restarting it. Like, are you getting my point? It like
Yeah.
that only. That you'll refresh. Yeah, you feel
It's like you
full
charge
of
yourself when you
energy.
go there.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. It was like
Yeah.
that
I've
only.
had a similar experience in Himachal. Never been to Uttarakhand though.
Okay,
I've heard so much about Uttarakhand, but it's too far.
okay. Yeah, you
So
must
would you like to describe?
plan
Yeah.
sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, you must
Would you
plan
like to
sometime
describe
for
your
Uttarakhand
trip
as well.
there? Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
So I was just asking, would you like to describe your trip to Masuri, Uttarakhand? What all places did you visit again? Rishikesh,
So
right?
Rishikesh, yeah, Rishikesh. There is a place called Ram Jhola or Lakshman Jhola, and it is like on Ganga river. A pool
Mm-hmm.
is being formed. The name is
Okay.
Ram. Yeah,
There's a bridge.
and yeah, it is a bridge like. And
Mm-hmm.
uh, when you went to when I went to the this place called uh, Har Ki Paudi. Har Ki Paudi. It is in
Mm-hmm.
Haridwar.
I've heard about it. Yeah.
I had a what I'll say. I had bath. Bath is correct word, or what I'll say. I had a bath
You took
in
a dip.
Ganga.
You took a dip.
Yeah, yeah, we
It's just like
I went
going,
there with
taking
my
a dip
family.
and then coming out, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So we took a dip in
In the
Ganga, and
Ganges.
yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
we felt like that experience we never had.
So is the water not polluted there? Because I've heard
No,
that
no, no.
Ganga, when it
It is
comes
at all.
flowing to,
It is
yeah.
very it is very clean. It was
Oh,
surprisingly that uh, people, the local vendors were selling their this thing flowers and the boxes and all to carry Ganga Jal. They were
oh,
they were especially instructing all those who were buying the items from them. They were instructing that don't put these flowers in Ganga, don't pollute it. It is a holy place.
okay.
Yeah, please remain it. Please keep it clean like that. They have so much responsibility like that.
Okay. Okay. Because,
Otherwise,
when it comes flowing to till UP and I think Banaras
yeah,
and so,
yeah, 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 yeah.
it gets polluted, right?
Yes, government is planning to clean it,
Mm-hmm.
but they are not succeeded till date, just because
Yeah.
people,
They haven't succeeded. Yeah.
yeah, they haven't succeeded just because people have some faith or belief that if at all they will throw flowers in Ganga, then they will have some good this thing, uh,
Fortune, good luck.
fortune. Yeah, yeah, good luck.
Oh,
That is why
so
they
they
are
have those
putting
beliefs.
flowers. they have that belief, but in terms of just to satisfy their belief, they are polluting Ganga. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay. So what did you do in Masuri?
I went there actually uh, when it is around I think 17 kilometers from plain area. It is situated at a height.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
when we reached there, then we parked our vehicle over there, and then we roam around in local. And then there is a mall road uh, in
Small road, yeah.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We walk through that uh, road, and at the end of that road, we had Maggie, and we had tea, and we had some this thing sweet corn, and so we had some shopping, and then we came back. Yeah, that is
Okay.
all we did.
So
Yeah.
that's nice to know about your trip.